One more thing, I would request both the teams to send their 12th man. Okay, so we don't have a 12th man. Okay, cool. Hello. So after the end of 2 overs, the score is 10 for the loss of 1 wicket.
Hello, hello.
Ashwani to bowl the third over. Good ball by Ashwani. Equally well played by Sarthak. Ashit Shetty will be facing Ashwani. Good shot by Ashit, but only for a single. A little misfield by Pankaj, but no extra run given. Ah. 2.2 overs, 12 runs. It's a wide ball. Ashwani trying to bowl outside the off. It's a good intention. Good ball by Ashwani. Excellent bowling. .3 overs, 13 runs. Ashwani is generating great pace. Shansha has a very good bowling attack. Again a good ball, but a great shot by Sarthak. Goes all the way. .4, 19 runs. Two more balls to go. Score is 19. What a comeback by Ashwani. Brilliant bowling. नहीं मैं बिल्डिंग का बात कर रहा हूँ हमारे बिल्डिंग में अभी आया था ना टूर्नामेंट तभी का बात हाँ 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 गुड बॉल just for a one day. It is the end of the over. 20 runs at the end of 3 overs. Brilliant bowling by Shansha. They have a lethal pace attack. हे 20 झाले ना 20 3 ओवर 20 Pankaj Gupta back in the attack. Jofra Archer of SG. ए बंद करना गाना. Well tried. ए भाई गाना किधर बज रहा है, बंद करना प्लीज. मजा नहीं आ रहा यार. हाँ प्लीज थैंक यू. मैच का मजा मर जाता है यार गाना बज रहा है. चलेगा ना तेरे को चलेगा ना. स्कोरिंग पे ध्यान दे. एक बॉल झाला 91. Pankaj Gupta moving the field. Good ball. Satak trying to hit a 6 and a great catch by Advait. One more wicket goes down for Rowdies. Score at the end of 12 point, 4 point, 3 point, 3 point. Score at the end of 3.1 overs 21. Advait Sawan. हाँ किती विकेट झाला. सार्थक आउट झाला आणि अद्वैतने कॅच दिला. हां तुझं पण नाव सार्थक आहे. 3.2. Yes. The end of 3.2 overs, score 21. Captain of Rowdies, Adarsh Shetty coming to bat. उसने अच्छा कनेक्ट भी किया. अच्छा कनेक्ट किया था उसने इसके पहले. Adarsh Shetty was in great form during the practice sessions. Let's see what he does now. Good ball and equally well played. 3.321. Score moving along very slowly. Oh, what a ball by Pankaj Gupta. He's cleaned up the captain of Rowdies on a duck. Brilliant bowling by Pankaj Gupta. Shansha's on a higher. Shansha's taking away 3 wickets. 3.4 overs, mere 21 runs and 3 wickets already down. Rowd is under pressure. Mayank Jain coming to bat. Facing Pankaj Gupta, the Jofra Archer of SG. Good ball, well played by Mayank. Just for a single. Ashit back on strike. Score 22 झाला ना? Score 22 झाला ना? Score is 22. 3.5 overs. 3.5 की 4 झाला? 5 है? 5, okay. Last ball of the over. Cracking shot by Ashit for a 6. Brilliantly played. What a shot. Score is 28 at the end of 4 overs. Rowdies will need to pick up from here. 4 more overs to go. If they need a decent score, they have to start scoring now. But look who's come to bowl.
Bluetooth mode paired.
Brett Lee of SG coming to bowl. Very few in this tournament will be able to see his ball. What a pace. Brilliant. It's a wide ball. Advait trying to be on the offside. Trying to stop the runs. Score moves to 29. Good ball by Advait. Ball goes in the air and it goes for a 6. Great shot by Mayank. Brilliantly hit. Using the pace and clearing the... Excellent shot by Mayank. Getting the Rowdies back in the game. Hitting Advait is not easy. Sighting him is not easy. But he's hitting for a good 6. Fast bowlers come back. What a ball. This is what was expected from Advait. A comeback delivery. And that is what he has delivered.
डॉट है ना अभी हाँ अभी पहले डॉट था ना
डॉट तू इधर ध्यान दे भाई बंद करके इधर ध्यान दे तू तिला बघू देणार रे स्कोर तिला स्कोर बघू दे रे गुड बॉल बाय Advait, well played by Mayank. Excellent line and length by Advait. Very difficult to hit. Score is 35 at the end of 4.3 overs. Rout is moving along. Good ball by Advait again, just for one single. It's very tough to score off him. Girish by asking the team to cheer up the bowler. What a ball once again, well fielded by the fielder, cannot stop a single. Brilliant fielding and brilliant bowling. Great cricket all round by Shahinshahs. After going for a 6 on the first ball, what a comeback by Advait. 5 ball, na? 5 ball score? 37. Score is 37 at the end of 4.5. What a ball again by Advait. This could be a wicket. Girish by getting under it and getting the catch. Brilliant wicket. One of the marquee. Mayank Jain is out. Rout is back in pressure. fine.
क्या है कंट्री डिलाइट का 4+4 ऑफर?
37 at the end of 5 overs. 3 more overs to go. This would be a mandatory power play. दोन आए ना, दोन पावर प्ले आए. घेतला काय? अच्छा. अच्छा ये लिया. अच्छा ओके ये था. ओके. Power play is done. क्या करना है? टी-शर्ट में क्या हुआ? क्या हुआ टी-शर्ट में? है मेरे पास एक्स्ट्रा टी-शर्ट चाहिए क्या उसको? कपड़ा चाहिए. हाँ तू नॉन स्ट्राइकर पे था, तू ही आएगा. क्रॉस अलाउड नहीं है. क्रॉस नहीं है. 37 at the end of 5 overs. Arvind coming to bowl. He's fondly called Alu in Lokanwala. He is the only spinner and one of the best spinners Lokanwala has. अरे अरविंद है बॉलर का नाम. जो बैट्समैन का नाम बताओ ना. देव पटेल ना. Arvind to Ashit, ball missed, trying to go for a square cut 6. This is one shot that Ashit plays very well, the square cut. Don't know why it is not coming out today. Once he starts hitting it, it is one of the best shots that he hit. Trying once again and missing the ball. Rowdy is under pressure. Shenshaw bowling really well.
पहिला बॉल
डॉट. दूसरा बॉल पण डॉट. तो इथे ध्यान दे भाऊ.
अरे हँग
मारला क्या? Bowler, please wait. The app has hung. Okay, चला. Okay, go ahead.
दो बॉल ही हुआ ना.
ऐप बंद हुआ था. हाँ दो बॉल मिस हुआ है. Good ball by Alu once again. Ashit trying to hit, but still missing it. Ashit will need to get his game together now. He's the set batsman for Rowdies now. He's opened the batting and now he's the man who can take them to a good score. Goes for a shot, brilliant shot, goes for a boundary. Good shot by Ashit. Score moves to 41. 4 balls. 2 more balls to go. Can Ashit convert both of them to a 6? अनन्या को लेके आओ ना. अनन्या को कमेंट्री कवर करेगा. Goes again. It is a vacant area. Goes for a boundary. No fielder there. Good batting by Ashit. Making full use of the last 3 balls. Rowdy is saying, "Oh, एक और आएगा." Let's see what Arvind does. Goes for it. A thick edge and just a single. 42 झालं ना?
42 नाही.
41 आणि 4 झाली होती का? 46 at the end of 6 overs. 2 more overs to go. Rowdies now have to start going all guns blazing. The score is not at par for now, but they can make it at par. Rowdies owner playing a song here to cheer up the team. Ashwani in attack, Ashik fishing. Ashit will be looking to clear the ground. He stride for it. It's a wide ball. 47. 47? Score is 47 at the end of 6 overs. This was a wide, so it's 6 overs only. Good ball by Ashwani. Good shot by Ashit for a 6. He's making full use of the full ball. It was a full ball right under his bat and brilliantly converted. Ashwani will try to come back the next ball. That is what a fast bowler does. Ashit looking set now for a big score. Tried once again. Might only go for a single, no single. Good fielding by the fielder. Good backup. Ashit taking his time. Good shot, but only for 1D. Bad luck, he tried well. Fielders don't go out. We have a ball boy who will get the ball. Ball boy है ना? ये ball boy है ना? कौन लगा? इधर आजा. क्या हुआ? अभी बिना खेले ही मर गया है. बिना खेले ही मर गया. कितनी बॉल झाला? 3 balls score. 54 is the score. Ashwani to Ashit. Good ball and a good shot by Ashit. Clearing the ground. Superb shot.
मान लेते हैं आपकी सेल्फ
He is now in form, seeing the ball like a football. अभी खेलना चाहिए अंदर ये. अभी कोई नया बैट्समैन आएगा तो फायदा नहीं.
झूठी खाई थी कसम जानी भाई नहीं वो झूठी खाई
Ashwani bowling full and paying the penalty. He'll look to come back the next ball for sure. Good ball and a good shot, but only for 1D. Hard luck for Ashit for the second time in the over. He tried to clear the ground, but that's a 1D.
$61.
61. Score is 61. One more ball to go. 6.5 overs. First inning. Well tried. Good bowling. Ashit will keep the strike by taking a single. The last over coming up. Score is 62 at the end of 7 overs. They say a minimum of 100 is needed here in 8 overs to defend. They are at 62 right now. And the bowler is the captain himself, Girish Chopra. Girish Chopra will be bowling to Ashit Shetty. Ashit is on 40, he just needs 10 for a half century. Girish Chopra. Girish Chopra to Ashit. Full toss ball and Ashit is making full use of it. Goes for a big 6. Ashit moves to 46. Score moves to 67, right? 68. Good start to the over for Rowdies. Can they make full use of it? Girish bowling a full toss and paying the penalty. Ball. Five more balls to go. Ashit on 46. Just needs 4 for a half century. Full toss again. Could not convert, just for a single. Two runs misfield. It was a misfield, so Ashit is back on strike. Ball toss. It's a wide ball. Girish Bhai has to bowl an off. Cannot afford full tosses in this over. Good ball, but a good shot as well. It is his 50 now. He moves on to 52 individual score. Brilliant batting by Ashit, taking his team to a respectable total. Well played, Ashit. Very well played. The Rowdies were down and dusted, but Ashit brought them back. Excellent batting by Ashit. 76 is the score. The scoring moving to a respectable total. एक मिनट 77 क्या रे मेरे को मार के लाएगा भाग रही थी. A good ball. It's not a wide. It has touched Ashit. Wide? It's a wide given by the umpire. It is not the wide. Good sportsmanship by Ashit. It has touched him. Umpire needs 2 more eyes. ये तो भाई इधर बैठ. अरे इधर बैठना मेरे बाजू में. तेरे को स्कोर बोलना पड़ेगा. Good ball by Girish Bhai. Well fielded. Run out chance missed. Ashit moves off strike. This is what Shahenshah wanted. To move Ashit off strike. 78 overs. हाँ 7.5. हाँ 8 overs का मैच है ना 7.5. Last ball coming up. It's a good ball. Umpire has not signaled a wide, and it's a bye as well. So 2 runs. It's a wide. It's a wide and a bye. So 2 runs added. Last 1 more ball to go. Ashit back on strike. Can Ashit convert this as well? It is an expensive over for Shahenshah. Bowling outside the off, not a wide. Good ball. Ends it. Score is 80-81 to win. A respectable total thanks to Ashit. Good batting by Ashit. They were down and under at the end of 4 overs, but Ashit brought them back. 81 is the target, 80 is the score. बस एक बॉल फुट डाला भाई बाकी तो कड़क बॉल गिरीश भाई आपने 5वां ओवर बॉलर नहीं है कोई और यही ओवर भारी पड़ा आपको कहाँ 60 पे अटके थे 20 रन आए 61 पे अटके थे बहुत सही स्कोर है हाँ गिरीश भाई ये होता है गिरीश भाई ये आराम से होता है चेस आराम से हंसते हंसते होता है
60s में होते तो प्रेशर में होते
60 नहीं मैं बताऊँ 100 के ऊपर का तो प्रेशर आएगा वरना तो क्या प्रेशर है Request the players to start the game as soon as possible. ए करना जाना करून देना ए प्रतीक सार्थक ना करून देना ऐप नहीं चालत हाँ कुठून आला रे प्लेयर जा रहे बाहर अपने को भी जाने खा के आना हाँ बड़ा बड़ा बोलो हाँ बोल दे चलेगा कब खत्म हो जाएगा बोल नहीं सकते हो सकता 4 ओवर में मार भी दे मतलब बोल नहीं सकते नहीं Sanjay Sharma coming to keep the wickets. बहुत गंदा यार, बहुत थोड़ा सा नहीं, ये जो है मुंह पे बोलो ना, नहीं उसको भी बोलो मुंह पे, हम सब हमको मालूम है क्या हुआ है, कांड कर दिया पूरा कांड। टीम पूरा टीम ही बकवास खेला है, मतलब एक आदमी ने कुछ नहीं किया। हाँ, पहला ओवर में 3 विकेट, उसके नेक्स्ट बॉल पे वापस 1 विकेट, 7 बॉल में तो 4 विकेट गिर गई। हाँ, पहले ही 7 बॉल पे 4 विकेट चला गया। बैठ के खा ले, रन हो जाना चाहिए था। स्लो नहीं खेला, उसको सामने किसी ने सपोर्ट भी नहीं किया, सपोर्ट भी नहीं किया। बट किरण एटलीस्ट और 20 रन मार सकता है, तभी तो हमको भरने में। हाँ, ये 20 रन और मार सकता है आराम से। Bowler named Vishal Desai. Opening is Pranesh, the owner of Shahenshah. What is the name of non-striker? Oh, Siddhant. Siddhant and Pranesh opening the batting for Shahenshah. Both of them are the owners of this team. Pranesh or Siddhant. Bowler is Vishal Desai. Siddhant Pawar. Vishal Desai. Pranesh and Siddhant Pawar. Waiting for the umpires to start the game. Bowler name Vishal Desai. तूने brightness चाहिए ना, brightness मुड़े मार तो का ऊन पर तो। हाँ, Pranesh on strike facing Vishal Desai. Siddhant on non-strike. Raud is getting ready to defend 80. First ball, Pranesh is clean ball. What a ball by Vishal. Brilliant bowling. This is what you need when you are only chasing or only put up 80 on the board. Great bowling by Vishal. Clean bowled. Owner of Shahenshah going back on a duck. Captain of Shahenshah coming to bat, Girish Chopra. Shahenshahs would need him to stay till the end and not rush. It is only 81 that is needed. वो करने गए ना तो और लफड़ा है. Shahenshahs would need Girish to stay till the end and not give his wicket. It is not a big score. He can stay on the wicket. Girish Chopra would be facing Vishal Desai. हाँ? कौन अफरीदी? गिरीश भाई को नया नाम अफरीदी दिया है. अफरीदी कैसे दिखते हैं ना, वैसे है शायद सेम. अफरीदी बहुत हैंडसम है, बहुत हैंडसम है. कहते हैं वो जो हाथ मिला था ना लोगों से, हाथ तोड़ दे, इतना उसका हाथ कड़क था. पठान है वो, पठान. Vishal Desai, second ball to Girish Chopra. He's played it for a single, but there is a fielder there. Well fielded by Santosh. Anisha needs a coffee. 2 balls, 0. Good ball, but an equally good shot. What a hit by Girish Chopra. This is his trademark shot on the leg. It's gone for a 6. 3 balls, 6. Good ball by Vishal. It could have been a catch, but goes for a boundary. Good shot again. Do not ball on the leg to this batsman. Vishal would need to get his line right. आ भी गया अच्छा फोन इधर ही होगा Good ball, but a brilliant hit again for a six. The bowler is bowling on the leg and going for penalties. पहला दो बॉल मस्त डाला क्या हो गया स्कोर कितनी डाल रहे 5 balls 16. Girish looking to finish this early. SG's best commentator is coming in. तो मैं जा सकता हूँ खाने को तेरे को ओके जा ठीक है At the end of 1 over, score is 17 of the first over, the power over. Captain of Rout is coming to bowl, Adarsh Shetty. Adarsh will have to contain Shenshahs. They are defending a low total of 80. And 17 is already on the board. Adarsh Shetty. Girish Chopra. Girish Chopra and Siddhant playing together. शादी मतलब से क्या रिलेशन है टाइम चलते उसमें क्या हो गया अच्छा लगता है ना उल्टा ये रिस्की हो जाता है ये सब अपने ये एरिया में बहुत रिस्की है अपने एरिया में सब गाड़ी से आ रहा तो ठीक है पहले बहुत होता था मैंने कितना सुना है इधर से और लेके गए चलेगा लग जाएगा वो मेन है लग जाएगा वो मेन नहीं हाथ का भी खींचते हैं हाँ गाड़ी से आता तो टेंशन नहीं Adarsh starting the second over. Girish facing him. Good ball on the off. Low full toss. Very hard to hit. No run. Adarsh is making his intentions clear. He is not going to give easy runs to Girish. अभी टूटा है सोने का भाव वापस अब 60 के भी ऊपर है Good ball once again. It is difficult to hit from the off on the leg side. Two balls, no run. Once again a good ball, but this is on the leg, just for a 1D. नहीं 1D पे लगा ना पहले उधर 4 It's a 4 given by the umpire. It's a boundary. Do not bowl on the leg. Others has to be on the off stump. Good shot by Girish for a 6. A bad ball going all the way. It was right under the bat and fully utilized by Girish for a 6. What a shot. Score moves on to 27. What a score in 2 overs. Not even 2 overs. If Rout is want to win this, they'll have to start picking wickets. On the off, Misfielded by the keeper, goes for a single. 28 runs, all the runs are scored by Girish Chopra. Last ball coming up, Siddharth coming on strike for the first time. He's a new player in SPL, new owner. Good ball, just for a single. Brilliant bowling, good comeback by Adarsh in the last two balls. Score is 29 at the end of 2 overs. Who is coming to bowl? It could be Mayank Jain. Mayank coming to bowl. Mayank. Bowler name Mayank Jain. Batsman name Siddhant. बोल दिया. Wide ball. But a misfield goes for a run. Rowdies cannot afford to misfield. Every run is important. They are defending a very low total. Score is 31. These were 2 runs. Good ball by Mayank, but well played by Girish. And just for a single. It could have gone all the way. It was a short pitch ball. Mayank got saved. 32 na? 32. 1 ball, 32. Good ball by Mayank. Very good ball. Siddhant just doing the wise thing by giving the strike to Girish. Just rotating the strike, asking him to hit, and he's just taking singles. Wise thing to do when you are chasing. Good ball, but goes all the way. Do not bowl short pitch balls on this ground. Score moves on to 38, 39. 3 balls, 39. 3 more balls to go. Mayank has to come back in these 3 balls and pick up a wicket. Good ball. This could be a wicket. This could be a prize wicket. And it is caught. A big wicket for Rowdies. What a comeback by Mayank. Caught by Arpit. Who has taken the catch? Name of the fielder? Arpit. Arpit has taken the catch. Good catch by Arpit. This was the prize wicket for Shahenshahs. Another brilliant batsman coming to bat. Advait Sawant, the young gun of SG. Four balls, 39. 1 wicket down. Sorry, 2 wickets down. Advait on strike. Mayank Jain bowling. Short ball. Missed by Advait. 2 more balls to go. 4 balls, 39. 5 balls, 1 more ball to go. Short ball once again. Played for a single. 1 D. Score moves to 40 at the end of 3 overs. They need 41 in 30 balls now. Not a big score. Shahenshahs can play it easily. If Rowdies have to make a comeback, they need quick wickets. Ashit Shetty. Ashit. 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 मिला? हाँ. इसके पहले वाला ओवर. इसके पहले वाला मयंक. हाँ वो आदर्श.
बॉलर नेम क्या है?
Baller's name Ashit Shetty. Ashit bowling after many SPLs. He had a back issue, but he's coming back now. Full toss ball goes for a big six. First six by Siddhant on this ground. And Shahenshah is appreciating it. What a hit. It was a full toss, juicy full toss converted to a six.
46.
Score is 46. Rowdies will need wickets. They cannot afford to bowl full toss. They will have to bowl tight. It's a low score. Every run is important. They have to make Shahenshahs work hard for this win. Full toss once again, and once again pulled by Siddhant for a six. What a straight six by Siddhant. Siddhant showing his caliber. He's playing the SPL for the first time. 2 balls, 2-6-6 to Ashit. Ashit under pressure. Score is 52. Siddhant is here to make a mark. Third ball, well bowled Ashit. This was the ball that he was trying to bowl. Good ball outside the off stump, tough to hit. He had to really time that well. गाना बंद करना. 3 बॉल हुआ. Ashit getting ready to bowl the 4th ball. Full toss once again, and it goes. Oh, well fielded, but goes for a 6. He's pushed the ball in the 6. He tried it well. Well tried fielder, but the ball goes for a 6, and it's a no ball. So 7 runs added to the total. 59, 3 balls, 3 more balls to go. Ashit cannot afford to bowl full tosses here. He has to pitch the ball. Full toss once again, but it's played to the fielder for a single. Good batting by Siddhant. Excellent batting. Advait on strike to Ashit for the first time. 2 more balls to go. Good ball, but a good shot as well. It's a catch, but misfield. It was an easy catch. Could have been taken. They need to field well, Rowdies, if they want to come back. It's a boundary. Score moves to 63. 63 ना 64. हाँ बराबर एक सिंगल लिया था ना.
नो पे 6 मारा हो.
9 पे 6 मारा था. हाँ 9 पे 6 था. 1 more ball to go. He's bowled him. What a ball. Good comeback by Ashit. If the catch was dropped the previous ball, he's taken him this ball. He's cleaned him up. Score is 64 at the end of 4 overs. They are going at a very good rate. Shahenshahs 4 overs, 64. The next batsman is Pankaj Gupta, the Jofra Archer of SE. नहीं बॉलर है, 5 बॉलर है. अच्छा वैसा बोल रहा है, मुझे लगा तो पूछ रहा है कौन है. बैटिंग करने में सिद्धांत का स्ट्राइक है. Siddhant on strike. Vishal Desai would be bowling the next over. Vishal Desai has great pace, a great line in length. Pankaj Gupta on non-strike. Score is 64 at the end of 4 overs. It's a good run rate. Rowdies will have to pull them back with wickets if they want a slight chance to come back. They need real quick wickets now. Good ball. No run. Good ball by Vishal. The batsman moved ahead, but the bowler anticipated that and bowled it short. Good bowling by Vishal. Smart bowling. Siddhant wants to finish this in this over itself, it seems. Good ball. And a good catch by Sanjay Sharma. What a good keeping by him. Excellent keeping. Good anticipation on the leg side. Excellent catch. This is what Rowdies need. Good fielding to back up their bowlers. कौन आया पता नहीं ये तो मैं भी नहीं जानता कौन है वाइट सिटी का है हाँ नहीं उनको भी नहीं पता रहेगा Batsman name please. Batsman name is Ashwani. Ashwani, the fast bowler coming to bat. Two fast bowlers at the crease, Pankaj Gupta and Ashwani Singh. Vishal really bowling well, took a good wicket. They need some more catches like this to lift up the team. Good ball once again, well played. What a good ball. Vishal is bowling brilliantly. What a line and length. Good ball once again. It's a Yorker. Great bowling. He's keeping it tight, not allowing them to even take a single. This is really good bowling by Rowdies. One more good ball. Again a Yorker. Oof. What a ball by Vishal Desai. He's keeping it tight, not even allowing a single. No run has been scored in this over. 5 balls. Good ball once again. It's a maiden. It's a maiden wicket over. What a over by Vishal. Brilliant. Maiden wicket on this ground is not easy. They are trying to make a comeback, Rowdies. Anything can happen in cricket. They've still not given up. If they take all the catches and bowl well, they can still make out a game of this. 64 हुआ है 17 18 में 17 bowler named Sarthak. On strike is Pankaj Gupta. ओवर हुआ बराबर बराबर और ये पूरा मेडन गया फिर मेडन विकेट पूरा Good ball by Sarthak. It was a short ball missed by Pankaj. It was a ball to hit, but it is missed by Pankaj Gupta. He's just come to bat. That is okay. He can take his time. They have the time in this match. 17 balls, 17 needed. Good ball by Sarthak once again. This could be a wicket. And it is. What a ball and what a wicket. Rowdies are making a comeback, it seems. And Shenshahs are losing it. They need to bat well, Shenshahs. They just need 17 in 16 balls, but they're losing wickets. New batsman is Amay Poddar. Amay has to make sure that he doesn't give his wicket easily. They just need singles now There's no need to take risk. They can do it with singles. They cannot take the pressure now. Left-handed batsman Amay coming to bat. Sarthak to Amay. Okay. And score has not moved from 64 since the last 8 balls. What a comeback by Rowdies. Well done. Good ball once again, but what a shot by Amay. It's a catch. Oh, what a catch by Vishal. He's just bowled a brilliant over and taken a great catch. Catch of the match. Can this get the match? Can this catch get them the match? What a catch by Vishal. Brilliant. Rowdies pulling it back. This is what the game of cricket is. 16 में 16 और विकेट जा रहा है एक के बाद एक 16 में 16 और विकेट जा रहा है बैट्समैन ही नहीं है इसका नाम क्या है अश्विन ना अरविंद कमिंग टू बैट थैंक यू भाई थैंक यू
64 हुआ है
64 हुआ है 16 needed of 16 what a comeback made by Rowdies unbelievable. Credit goes to Sarthak and Vishal Desai and the catch taken by Sanjay Sharma. What a comeback. Good shot by Arvind. It goes all the way. What a shot. He's proving that he's played on this ground. What a hit. Brilliant hit. Score moves to 70 after 9 balls. 11 needed of 14. Good shot once again. Can go to the boundary and does. What a shot. Arvind is proving that he is also a batsman, not just a bowler. Thank you, bhai. Thank you.
यार कितने बार बोलोगे जायदाद भी थोड़ा नाम दो हां थोड़ा जायदाद नाम दो ज्यादा थोड़ा जायदाद नाम दो ठीक है
Full toss. Arvind tries to hit it for a 6. Could be a catch. Could be a catch. Good catch by Adarsh. Well taken. Catch taken by Adarsh Shetty. Good catch. This can still be a comeback. The game is not over till the last ball is bowled. How many wickets? कितना wickets गया भाई? वो पूछ रहा है. 7 wickets down. 7 wickets gone. 12 में 7. Over. It's over. A brilliant catch by Adarsh Shetty, captain of Rowdies, making sure that his team doesn't give up at all. Ashwani would be on strike. Mayank Jain would be bowling. Ashwani, non striker का नाम क्या है? नाम? Dheeraj ना? Dheeraj has come to bat along with Ashwani. They need 7 of 12 balls. It's all about pressure. The team who handles pressure well will win this. What a good game. Can Ashwini do this? What a shot by Ashwini. It's a hit and a 6. Brilliant. Made sure that the match is not getting interesting. What a shot. 1 run needed. It's a scores are level. Ashwini taking his time. It's a good ball by Mayank. No run. Just one needed. Run rate would also be a great factor, at the end of the playoffs. Oh, sorry, the league matches. Good ball and a good hit. It's done and dusted. 6 runs. 6 add करना, 6 add करना। टॉस हो गया? नहीं नहीं हुआ नहीं हुआ।